Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation guys, and according to this question we have to find out the roots of the equation are rational guys. So what is the equation? So equation is a b c square into x square plus 3a square cx plus b square cx minus 6a square minus ab plus 2b square guys is equal to 0, right? Now I am going to convert into the form of quadratic equation. So abc square into x square, and after doing the common x, and we will get the value 3a square c plus b square c, right? And minus, you can write here 6a square minus ab plus 2b square, right? 2b square is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of the quadratic equation guys, general form of quadratic equation, and according to the given equation, given question, roots of the equation are rational, and we know that for rational roots we can write here, for rational roots d must be perfect square, right? Okay guys, because you can check d, right? And it the d be the perfect square, then after we can say that it is this equation have the rational root guys. So you can say that d must be the perfect square for the rational root, right guys? Perfect square for rational root. Okay, and now I am going to find out the d. So what is the value of d? D equal to, you can say that 4 square minus b square minus 4ac guys. And after what is the value of b in the equation guys? So 3a square c plus b square c whole square guys. Okay, are you getting my points? Minus 4ac, right? So what is the value of a? So value of a is abc square guys, right? And what is the value of constant term guys? So c, and after taking the common minus, so you can write here the plus, it will become the plus 4abc square, and it will become the 6a square plus ab minus you can write here 2b square, right? Now I am going to take the c square common from both two terms, and after taking the common c square you will get the value 3a square plus b square, right? And after opening the bracket we can write here the 9a to the power 4, right? 9a to the power 4 plus b square whole square, b square square equal to, you can write here the b to the power 4 plus 6a square plus b square, right? And plus, and after opening this bracket you can write here the 4abc square. So 6 4s are 24, 24 a cube we can write here a cube b, right? Because we can we have taken the c square as a common from this term also guys. So you can write here the 24a cube b, and after multiplying 4ab into this term, so we can write here 4a square b square, right? And after doing the multiplication 4ab, so you will get the value 4a b cube, right? Are you getting my points guys? C square, it will become c square, and after adding you will get the value 9a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, and now you can write here 6 plus 4 equal to 6a is a square plus b square, and plus 4a square b square equal to, you can write here the 10a square b square, right? And plus we can write here the 24 a cube b, right? And minus, it will become the 8ab cube. Okay, and it must, and after adding you can add here the plus 6a square plus b square and minus 6 ab square plus b square, because after adding it will become the 16a square b square. So we have to convert into the perfect square. So what is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square, guys? So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? So that's why we can add and subtract the 6a square. After adding 6a square b square, and we can subtract 6a square b square, right? So their value will not be changed, guys. Okay, so it will become c square, and we can write here the 9a square plus b square, and 10 plus 6 you can write here the 16a square b square plus 24 a cube b minus 8 a b cube, and plus minus you can write here the 6a square b square. So now it is in the form of a square plus b square. So the power is what, guys? So power is 4. So you can convert here. Power was formed in the power was 4, right? 9a to the power 4 and b to the power 4. So you can write here. So you can say that it is in the form of a square. So you can write here the 3a square whole square plus b square whole square plus 4ab whole square, right? And now it is in the form of, so you can write here the 2ab. So this term multiply with this term, and after multiplying you will get the value this. So you can write here simply it is in the form of c square. So after putting all these value, you can write here the c square, and when we convert into the square term, because it is the form of the a square minus b square plus c square, a plus b minus c whole square, right? So we can write here the 3a minus 3a square minus b square plus 4ab whole square, guys, right? 4ab whole square. So after opening this bracket you will get this value, guys, right? So it is in the form of the perfect square. So we know that for rational root d must be the perfect square. So you can say that yes, the roots of this equation are rational because d is the perfect square, right? So you can say that d is perfect square. So d is perfect square. So you can say, write here perfect square. So it is the roots of this equation are rational, guys. So thank you, have a nice day, see you in the next session, guys. Bye bye, take care.